The location of industries is influenced by a combination of natural, economic, technological, and socio-political factors. Choosing the right location is critical for reducing production costs, improving efficiency, and ensuring access to markets and resources. Alfred Weber, a well-known economist, explained this through his theory of industrial location, least cost theory, which shows that industries prefer places that minimize transportation, labor, and other production costs. In general, the factors affecting the location of industries can be grouped into geographic and non-geographic factors. Geographical factors affecting location of industries. Several geographical factors affect the location of industries in India and the world. Availability of raw materials. Industries that rely on heavy or bulky raw material tend to locate near their sources to minimize transportation costs. This is particularly important for weight-losing industries where the raw material is heavier than the finished product. For example, Tata Steel plant in Jamshedpur, India is situated close to iron ore deposits in Jharkhand. Aluminium plants in Odisha are located near bauxite mines to reduce logistic expenses. Proximity to market. Industries producing high value, perishable or light goods often locate near large consumer market to ensure quick delivery and lower transportation costs. For example, in India, cities like Delhi and Mumbai have historically been hubs for textile production due to their proximity to domestic markets. Globally, Detroit in the USA became a center for automobile manufacturing because of access to a large consumer base and supporting infrastructure, transport, and accessibility. Industries tend to locate close to ports, highways, railways, and airports to ensure the efficient movement of raw materials to the factory and timely distribution of finished goods to the market. For example, Mumbai's port has supported petroleum refining and textile industries, while Chennai's port has facilitated the growth of automobile manufacturing in the region. Labor availability and skill level. The presence of a skilled or semi-skilled workforce strongly influences industrial location. High-tech industries prefer regions which technically trained professionals, whereas labor-intensive industries rely on cheap, abundant labor. For example, the IT sector in Bangalore thrives due to the availability of highly skilled software engineers. Textile production in Ahmedabad benefits from a large pool of semi-skilled workers. Climate and environmental conditions. Certain industries are sensitive to climatic and environmental conditions. Food processing and agriculture-based industries require areas conducive to crop production, while textile prefer moderate climates to avoid damage to fabrics. For example, the tea industry in Darjeeling and Assam has flourished because the climate in these regions is ideal for tea cultivation. Non-geographic factors affecting location of industries. Apart from geographical factors, several non-geographical factors such as capital, governance, etc. affect the location of industries in India and the world. Capital and investment. Industries require substantial investment for land, machinery, and operations. Availability of financial resources and government incentives often influence location decisions. For example, Pune's industrial areas have attracted automobile and IT companies due to government support, investment-friendly policies, and well-developed infrastructure, creating a favorable environment for industrial growth. Government policies and regulations. Supportive government policies, subsidies, and tax incentives can encourage industrial growth in specific regions. Conversely, stringent regulation or poor infrastructure can discourage industrial investment. For example, the development of Shenzhen in China as a major electronics hub is largely due to favorable government policies and its proximity to Hong Kong. Technological advancement. Industries that depend on advanced technology or innovation prefer locations with robust research facilities and technological infrastructure. For example, IT and biotech companies in Bangalore benefit from tech parks, research centers, and a skilled workforce. Silicon Valley, USA is a hub for software and high-tech industry due to leading universities, innovation ecosystem, and venture capital availability. Agglomeration economies. Industries often cluster in specific regions to benefit from shared resources, suppliers, labor pools, and specialized services. Such clustering reduces cost and enhances productivity. For example, the IT industry in Hyderabad, high-tech city, benefits from a concentration of software companies, tech parks, and skilled professionals. The automobile cluster in Stuttgart, Germany, including Mercedes-Benz and Porsche, thrive due to nearby suppliers, skilled labor, and research institutions. Political stability and safety. A stable political environment and safe working conditions are essential for sustainable industrial growth. Investors avoid regions prone to conflict or political instability. For example, Noida and Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh have attracted numerous IT, electronics, and manufacturing companies due to political stability, law enforcement, and industrial friendly governance. Countries like Singapore have successfully attracted manufacturing industries due to their stable governance, safety, and infrastructure support.